Jade from Sweet Softies here. I went on a little shopping spree on Amazon and got these adorable stationery and tools from M&G, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's take a look at these goodies. Alright, let's take a look at this adorable pencil sharpener. It's a cute little unicorn, as you can see. You can open it up from the top. And there you can stick in your pencil. I love that it protects the top. And what's really awesome is that it actually has 3 different sharpening modes. So you can choose to make it extra thin and long and sharp, or you can choose more of a blunt tip, or you can go right in the middle. And you gotta love this, but this automatic sharpener is charged through USB, so you don't have to worry about getting an extra battery or things like that. You just plug it right in with the cable. Alright, let's go ahead and try it out. Wow, and see, when it just finished, it will push up the pencil and you have a lovely sharp tip ready to go. So, no more dull pencils again. Here's a super adorable calculator as well. I miss using one of these because it's so much easier than my laptop keypad, and it makes cute clicky noises, and I just love the pink. Perfect for your cozy desk spot. I also got a pencil case, and this one, as you can see, is quite spacious. I love that you can put so many things in here, and it's got pockets and compartments. And here, an extra flap for your favorite and go-to pencils. And the back has its own little compartment as well. Absolutely perfect for everything you need. And look at that nifty handle. Pencils and things on the front, and maybe my crochet hooks and crochet notions on the back. It's available in other colors as well, like this cute pink. And here is the set of paint sticks that I got. I am most excited about these because I've never tried anything like them before. And this is a set of, ooh, look at that, so many colors. 36 colors. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. It's the size of a regular pencil. And it's even got a paintbrush in here for you to use too. Let's see how this works. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick little sketch so I can get started on the coloring portion. Alright, my red panda kitty hybrid. Haven't done art in too long. That's I guess that's what you get when that happens. Okay, so now for some fun. Let's try out these beautiful colors. I'm just opening it up, and looks like there's lovely pigment, and it's so smooth. Okay, I'm gonna start applying some color, and we'll see how that looks. Wow! So it's very smooth, and it almost feels kind of oily, like oil pastel. I really like how it glides on the paper. Let me see what it looks like if I try some mixing. Here's a reddish color now that I'm going to try and mix a little bit into. Ooh, I quite like that. You can press down harder for definitely a darker gradient. I'll add in just a bit more color here. So I love that you can do pretty sharp lines if you wanted to. Maybe throw some color in here. If you love seeing bold colors emerge from your art, I highly recommend this paint stick set. It's very fun to work with too. I don't really know what I'm doing here in terms of drawing. Haven't done art in too long, but I can tell you that I'm having a good time, and I think that's it's a pretty big deal for me. So very enjoyable experience here. Let's go ahead and see what happens when you combine water with these paints. Isn't that neat? It literally changes to watercolor. And oh my goodness, I love how the colors are just mixing here. Oh, I'm in love with this paint set. Oh my gosh. It's not only very enjoyable and fun to work with, it's very easy to work with. You don't have to be an artist to enjoy this art process here. Oh, and last, these pencils are so easy to use because once you need more from the tip, you just have to turn and twist to get it to slide out more. And if I turn the other way, it'll retract. They've also got home decor pieces. This is a really cute little pencil holder. It can also double up as a hook holder. Super cute design. There's a pink one as well. This is the white version. Here's another art set. These are markers, and there are 60 of them in this set. So it comes in these two holders here, and we've got a little pamphlet. Ooh, so fun. I get to put on the different colors on the card, and it gives me a good look at what the colors will look like on paper. Let's do a few. So let me go ahead and grab this one. As you can see, there are two ends, a broad tip and also a thinner, fine tip. Ooh, beautiful color. Very vibrant. Let's try this lighter color. Beautiful. And what's really nice is that there's absolutely no bleeding. Overall, a lovely experience with these markers. They're really vibrant, and I love how they cover big spaces and also provide fine details. Thanks for enjoying some artsy and craftsy fun with me today. If you want to check out the links to these products, make sure to look into the description box. I'll have all that there. Happy crafting! Bye now!